I took Google's prompt engineering course for you. So here's the Cliff Notes version to save you the 9 hours. But it's not enough just to listen to me talk about stuff. So I've also included a little assessment at the end of the video.
Wait. You must be saying, Mosh, I am busy. I have a 9 to 5 day job. I came here to learn how to make money with a side hustle. What is this boring AI prompt engineering course in 20 minutes? Well, my friend, I have a good news for you. I'm going to show you how to use AI to create a side hustle, or use AI into your side hustle, or use AI in your main hustle to make more money. But before that, we need to learn how to speak to AI. And the language that we use to speak to AI is called prompts. And this video is one of the best guidance to learn how to use prompt. But unfortunately, this 20-minute long video is extremely boring. So I'm going to make it super interesting for you. And I will also show you how to make things interesting, so you can also get similar results as we get and the beginner students of our program get. Like Ruby made $500. Daryl made $500 commission. David Moore made $500 commission. All Ruby is a busy mom. Daryl has a 9 to 5 day job. David is extremely busy in his day job. Jody is a busy mom and she has a day job as well. Oh, Ruby made another $500. Just a few hours ago, Osman made $947 in passive affiliate commission. The best of the best part is that our program is 99% done for you. If you want to learn more about our program, how we use AI, social media, short videos, and the rest of the techniques I'm about to share with you in this video, then check the link in the description. It will take you to our free training. This training video is completely free to watch. And after watching this training video, if you still have questions, use this AI chat assistant to ask your questions. It is trained to answer just like me, and it will give you all the answers. But if you're still not happy, you want to speak to me one-on-one, that's totally fine. Simply DM me on Instagram or send me an inbox message on Facebook. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. That being said, let's go and make some money. Link to this training is in the description below this video. Another reason I'm calling this video a training is because I'm going to use this training video to train my program students. This training video will be added to the members area, which is only available to these members. Start with the first module. This is the fundamental of prompting, and it has 5 steps. Define what you want AI to do, provide a background details or context, provide a reference, evaluate, and finally iterate to refine the prompts for better results. Was this boring enough? Absolutely boring. So to make it interesting, I turned it into a story. Stories are interesting and everybody loves stories. And we have a special format that we use in our program to make money every day. And here is the story format. It's called B.A.T or B.A.T, or in other words, but, and, therefore. Okay, let me give you an example. Here's a context. I want to go outside, but it's raining outside. Therefore, I took an umbrella. I went outside with my umbrella, but strong wind took away my umbrella. Therefore, I went to a shop and bought a new umbrella. Now I'm happy. While walking on the street, a car passed by me at a heavy speed, splashed dirty water from the road all over me. Bad car. Therefore, I had to go to the shop again and purchase new set of clothes. So you understand, when we start a story, we say, but there is a problem, and so, and therefore, we had to do something to solve that problem. Now, I used the same 5 steps on ChatGPT and created a but and therefore story. And this was my prompt. I said, I want you to act as Ernest Hemingway. Write a but and therefore story using the SOP of the above. But and therefore story is called B.A.T, B for but, A for and, T for therefore. The way it goes is I will give you a context. I will give you as many details as possible. You have to find out a problem in that. So we will write an engaging story from the context. We will say, but there is a problem, and then you say, therefore, we did this to solve this problem. Then we will continue and say, oh, but there was another problem. Therefore, we used something else to solve that problem. This way we will continue but and therefore as long as possible to make it a highly engaging story. And ultimately, it will be used as a YouTube long video. Use 6th graders language and make it as entertaining as possible. Again, using the words but and therefore over and over seems boring and lame. Can we use other interesting phrases to make it sound interesting instead of but and therefore? Does it make sense? Can we do it? Let's do this. That was my prompt. And if you noticed, I gave AI a specific task. I gave the context. I gave reference. And now I'm going to get results. I will evaluate, and based on my evaluation, I will refine the prompt for better results. Now here is where I used the same technique yesterday and I found some problems. So I refined my prompt here and it looks pretty much perfect. So when I used this, AI took the SOP from this chat results and wrote me a complete story. Now this story is boring as well. So I asked AI to write series of image prompts to describe the story. So when I'm going to show you this story, I can show you with some images so you can enjoy the story. And AI wrote 12 image prompts for me. Now I'm going to use this prompt to create images for you. But guess what happened? It said, I can't create images directly. It's because this chat window used a model that cannot create images, but it improved the prompt, the image prompt, and made it more specific. So what I did is I went to another window and used a model where we can create images and use the prompt. Just copy it and paste it and now look at this. The image is created. Now I'm going to use the second prompt and show you how it works. Just copy and paste. Boom. As you can see, image is being generated now. And the second image is done. It shows the failure, the first failure. Now I want the third image. I'm going to copy the prompt, put it here and hit enter. Third image is being generated. And yes, this one is discovering the secret formula. Now I'll go one by one, create all the images, come back and tell you the story. At one point, I was happy that images were generating automatically, but all of a sudden, I got a notification. I was unable to generate the requested image because they did not comply with content policy guidelines. Let me know if you would like to adjust the prompt or try a different approach. So I just said, correct the prompt to comply with policy, and I got the image. This is what we call iterate, which is refine the prompt for better results. Now all my images are ready and I'm going to have ChatGPT read the story, and as we go I will show you the images as well so you will see how the story and the images go together. Just click here to read the story loud.
Let's dive in and craft an engaging B.A.T story using the SOP from the video. I'll make it fun, simple, and exciting without overusing but and therefore. Instead, I'll mix things up with phrases like the catch is, so we had to, little did we know, and more. Title, cracking the AI prompt code, a journey of trial and error. I wanted to write the perfect AI prompt. I thought, how hard can it be? Just type something and let the AI do the magic. Easy, right? Well, not exactly. The catch is, my AI responses were all over the place. Some were too generic, others completely missed the point. Clearly, I was doing something wrong. So we had to figure out a better way. That's when I stumbled upon Google's 5-step framework: task, context, references, evaluate, and iterate. It sounded promising. At first, I just told the AI what I needed in a simple sentence. Suggest a birthday gift for my friend who likes anime. Seems clear enough. Turns out, the AI's ideas were plain and boring. Generic posters and action figures. Not very helpful. To fix that, we decided to give the AI a persona, act as an anime expert, and wow, suddenly the AI gave unique suggestions sorted by genre. We thought we had it all figured out. But guess what? The list was still a mess. No structure, just a flood of words. That's when it hit us. We needed to format the output better. So we asked AI to organize the ideas into a table. Now it looked neat and useful. Little did we know, something was still off. The AI didn't really get my friend's taste. To solve this, we added context, her favorite anime shows, her age, and her interests. This time, the results felt just right. For a moment, we celebrated until we realized something even bigger. What if AI's suggestions were wrong or incomplete? To avoid disaster, we learned the golden rule. Always evaluate the results. We double-checked the suggestions and made tweaks where needed. Feeling confident, we thought we were done. But AI is tricky. Sometimes, even after all our tweaks, the output still didn't hit the mark. So we had another idea. Iterate. Each time, we'd tweak a little more, adding details and testing different phrasing. Just when we thought we had mastered it, another challenge appeared. Too much information made the AI overwhelmed. Our solution? Breaking down our prompts into simple, bite-sized sentences. Suddenly, AI responded better and faster. And then came the biggest hurdle. The AI started throwing out weird, unrelated answers, stuff that made no sense at all. We realized AI sometimes hallucinates and gives false information. So we made it a rule to always verify and fact-check responses. Finally, after much trial and error, we cracked the code. AI was now giving us accurate, structured, and well-researched suggestions. Looking back, writing a good prompt isn't just about asking AI something. It's about refining, testing, and improving with each step. And hey, if you're thinking, this sounds complicated, don't worry. We learned that with practice, anyone can master AI prompting. What do you think? Ready to take your AI game to the next level? Let's do it.
How was it? The whole story was written by AI just by using prompt. And then the whole images made using AI just by using prompts. So now you see the importance of prompt engineering. At the same time, I showed you a way to write engaging stories using B.A.T framework. Super easy easy, super simple. Use AI, turn anything and everything into story, and it will be engaging. And when your content is engaging, your viewers will watch. They will share your story. They will like your story. They will comment on your story. And algorithms will send more and more viewers to it. So here is our ultimate way of making money online. We use AI to learn valuable skills and knowledge fast. And then we use that knowledge and skills and our experience of using AI into short form videos, like 1 minute long videos. And then we upload the same videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These platforms send us free viewers. These viewers go through our AI-powered automated sales funnel without us doing the selling. This sales funnel does the selling on our behalf, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commissions. That's how our students make money. And the whole thing is 99% done for you, AI-powered, super amazing and exciting. And I can't explain you how exciting $947 passive commission can be. You want to learn in details? Check the link in the description, watch the free video. And at the end, you will learn about our program. You have any questions? Ask our proprietary AI assistant. It will give you all your answers. You're not happy? No problem. Send me DMs on Instagram or Facebook. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. At the end of the day, I want you to use AI more and more, tell amazing stories to people, help them learn, give them information, and you will make money. Did you like this video? Give me a thumb up. Share with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button. This way, YouTube will let you know when we will upload our next video. And to learn more money making techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.